In this video I'm doing a Seafile Cloud Storage honest review, what to expect before using, where we take a real look at how this service performs and what kind of user it's made for. Seafile offers both a free open-source version for self-hosting and paid cloud plans for teams and businesses. The free edition is a great option for tech-savvy users who want control over their own data, offering features like file syncing, sharing, and version history. Seafile's biggest strength is speed. It syncs large or numerous files much faster than many other self-hosted cloud solutions. It also includes strong security features such as client-side encryption, two-factor authentication, and file access logs, giving you peace of mind about data safety. That said, Seafile isn't the most beginner-friendly option. Setting it up on your own server can be a bit technical, involving configuration of databases, caching, and network access. Performance can slow slightly with a huge number of small files or when using WebDAV instead of the native desktop client. While pricing for the professional edition is fair, it scales quickly as your team grows. And since Seafile is less mainstream than Google Drive or Dropbox, you might notice fewer integrations and slower customer support. Overall, Seafile is a powerful, secure, and efficient choice for users who value privacy and control, especially for developers, researchers, or small businesses comfortable with a little setup work. But if you want a simple, hands-off cloud storage experience, a more mainstream option may suit you better. If this review helped you decide, don't forget to hit subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns every week.